receive your proctor? And the correct answer is 29. Along the phone City got the correct answer. So they qualify for the next one. And that ends the quiz.
Congratulations to those who qualified for the final round. Before we proceed to the next part of the program, we will be awarding a Certificate of Achievement and Scholarship Award. Let us call on Mr. Jonathan Maplata and Mr. Pao Galvez. Award the certificate. Certificate of Achievement and Scholarship Award. This certificate is hereby awarded to of the name of the school for being the second runner-up most outstanding grade 5 participant of Math Quest 2014 held on January 13, 2014 at the University of the Philippines, Los Baños. He or she is also hereby entitled to a 50% discount in the regular 2014 Brain Train High School Entrance Test Review. So signed, Ms. Joanna Sara de Grano, Senior Executive Sum Up, Ramon Randy Ladaga, Director Brain Train Center. So the second runner-up most outstanding grade 5 participant is awarded to Alfred Moore C. Bagsik of Lily Rose School. Okay. Certificate is hereby awarded to for being the first runner-up most outstanding grade 5 participant entitled to a 50% discount in the regular 2014 Brain Train High School Entrance Test Review. Jen Rich Nang of St. Jude Catholic School. Okay, thank you. This certificate is hereby awarded to for being the most outstanding grade 5 participant of Math Quest 2014, entitled to a 100% discount in the regular 2014 Brain Train High School Entrance Test Review. The award is given to Steven Reyes of St. Jude Catholic School. Okay, so thank you, Brain Train.